What if 2025 could be the year you finally hit the jackpot, both literally and figuratively? Manifesting financial abundance doesn't have to remain a dream. With the right mindset and methods, you can align your energy with incredible opportunities, including winning the lottery. Let's explore practical, actionable steps to turn your desires into reality. Setting clear intentions is the foundation of any manifestation journey. Without clarity, your energy becomes scattered, making it difficult to focus on what you truly desire. To begin, ask yourself, what does winning the lottery symbolize for you? Is it freedom, security, or the ability to help others? By understanding the deeper meaning behind your goal, you can create a stronger emotional connection to your manifestation. Write down your intentions in the present tense. For instance, I am financially abundant and secure instead of I want to win the lottery. This phrasing signals to your subconscious that your goal is achievable and already unfolding. Revisit your intentions daily. As you consistently align your thoughts with your desires, you'll notice a shift in your mindset, paving the way for opportunities to manifest. Manifesting success requires more than just wishing. It demands belief. A winning mindset ensures that you remain confident and receptive no matter the odds. Start by visualizing yourself as a winner. Picture the moment you receive the news, the feelings of joy, and the impact of your winnings, and let this visualization ignite your belief in your success. Affirmations are another powerful tool. Repeat phrases like, I attract wealth effortlessly, or my financial success is guaranteed. This repetition reinforces positive beliefs and counters any lingering doubts. Avoid negative self-talk. Doubts like, it's impossible to win, create energetic blocks. Replace these thoughts with affirmations that reinforce your belief in possibility and abundance. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with stories, people, or content that inspires and uplifts you. A positive environment strengthens your belief that financial success is within reach. While mindset is crucial, actions amplify your manifestation power. Winning the lottery might feel like luck, but aligning your actions with your desires increases your chances of success. Purchase lottery tickets consistently but responsibly. Think of each ticket as a step toward your goal, an investment in your belief system rather than a gamble. Research patterns or strategies that resonate with you. While there's no guaranteed formula for winning, exploring different approaches keeps you engaged and motivated. Practice generosity. Sharing your resources, whether big or small, cultivates an energy of abundance. And the more you give, the more you attract, creating a positive feedback loop. Stay patient. Manifestation isn't always instant. Trust the process and remain committed to your goal, even if results aren't immediate. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good practice. It's a magnet for abundance. When you appreciate what you have, you invite more of it into your life. Begin a gratitude journal and list things you're thankful for daily. Include small wins like finding spare change or receiving a kind gesture. These moments remind you that abundance is already present. Express gratitude for your future winnings as if they've already happened. For example, say, I'm so grateful for the financial freedom my lottery winnings provide. This practice reinforces your belief that success is on its way. Extend gratitude to those around you. Thank the cashier when purchasing your ticket or acknowledge the effort behind organizing the lottery. This attitude fosters a sense of connection and positivity. Keep in mind that gratitude isn't just about words, it's about feeling. Immerse yourself in the emotions of thankfulness and you'll amplify your manifestation power. Manifestation often requires patience and trust. While it's natural to want immediate results, the universe works on its timeline. Release the need to control the outcome. Once you've set your intentions and taken action, trust that the right opportunities will unfold at the perfect time. Remind yourself that delays don't mean denial. Sometimes waiting allows you to grow, learn, or align with even greater opportunities. Use affirmations to reinforce trust. Say, "Everything I desire comes to me at the right time," or "I trust the universe's plan for my abundance." Stay focused on the journey, not just the destination. By enjoying the process, you maintain a high vibration, which is key to manifesting your goals. Visualization is more than imagining success. It's about stepping into the energy of your desires as though they're already realized. By vividly picturing your goal, you communicate with the subconscious mind, which influences your actions and attracts opportunities. Begin by creating a dedicated time daily to visualize your success. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, close your eyes, and imagine every detail of winning the lottery. Picture yourself buying the ticket, seeing the winning numbers, and feeling the excitement flood through you. Focus on the emotions, joy, relief, and gratitude, as these feelings amplify your manifestation power. Enhance your visualization by engaging all your senses. What does the winning ticket feel like in your hand? Can you hear the celebration of loved ones when you share the news? Involving as many senses as possible creates a more vivid and compelling image in your mind. Reinforce your visualization by pairing it with positive affirmations. For instance, repeat, "I am a magnet for financial abundance," or "I celebrate my financial success with gratitude and joy." Combining these practices ensures your subconscious aligns with your intentions. Affirmations are more than just positive statements. They reprogram your mind to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. By consistently practicing affirmations, you replace doubts and fears with confidence and optimism. Start by choosing affirmations that resonate with your goal of financial abundance. And examples include, "I attract wealth effortlessly," or "The universe supports my financial goals." Speak these affirmations aloud daily, preferably in front of a mirror, to create a strong emotional connection. Write your affirmations and place them in visible locations like your workspace or bathroom mirror. Seeing these reminders regularly keeps your mind focused on your goals and reinforces belief in your success. Affirmations also work well when combined with actions. For instance, as you purchase a lottery ticket, silently affirm, "This ticket aligns with my financial destiny." This pairing strengthens the energy of your intentions and your trust in the process. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset. Doubts will fade, replaced by unwavering confidence in your ability to manifest financial abundance. This confidence is key to attracting the opportunities you desire. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your energy and mindset. A cluttered, negative, or stagnant space can block manifestation, while a vibrant, organized environment fosters creativity and optimism. Start by decluttering your living space. Remove items that no longer serve you and make room for abundance to flow. An organized space symbolizes readiness to receive blessings, including financial success. Introduce elements that inspire positivity. Place vision boards, motivational quotes, or symbols of abundance around your home. These items act as constant reminders of your goals and keep you focused on manifesting success. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Negative influences can drain your energy and weaken your belief in your goals. Instead, spend time with individuals who encourage your dreams and share your enthusiasm for growth. Finally, incorporate rituals that elevate your environment's energy. For instance, lighting candles, playing uplifting music, or practicing mindfulness can transform your space into a sanctuary of abundance. Gratitude is a cornerstone of manifestation. By appreciating what you have, you create a powerful vibration that attracts more blessings into your life. Begin each day with a gratitude journal. Write down at least 3 things you're thankful for, including both big and small blessings. And this practice shifts your focus to abundance, making it easier to attract more of it. Take a moment each evening to reflect on the day's positives. Did you encounter a kind gesture, find a small financial windfall, or experience a moment of joy? Recognizing these instances reinforces the idea that you are already on the path to abundance. Express gratitude for your future success as if it's already happened. For example, say, "I'm so grateful for the financial freedom and joy my lottery winnings bring." This forward-focused gratitude anchors your belief in your goals and aligns your energy with them. Gratitude also extends beyond words. Acts of kindness, generosity, and paying it forward amplify your vibration and invite more abundance into your life. Trust is essential in the manifestation process. Without it, doubts and fears can creep in, disrupting the energy you've built. Learning to trust the universe and yourself is key to achieving your goals. Start by acknowledging any fears or doubts about your financial success. Write them down and consciously release them. Recognize that fear is natural but doesn't have to dictate your journey. Replace fear with trust through meditation and affirmations. Spend time in silence, focusing on your breath and repeating statements like, "I trust the universe to guide me to my financial goals." This practice calms the mind and reinforces your belief in the process, and let go of the need to control every step. While it's important to take action, trying to micromanage the outcome can create resistance. Trust that the universe knows the best path to bring your desires to fruition. Celebrate small wins along the way, whether it's a small financial windfall or a positive shift in mindset. These moments remind you that you're on the right path and that your manifestations are unfolding perfectly. Manifesting lottery success in 2025 isn't just about luck, it's about clarity, action, and belief. And by setting clear intentions, cultivating gratitude, and aligning your mindset and environment, you open the door to incredible opportunities. Keep in mind that the journey of manifestation is as revolutionary as the outcome. Trust the process, stay committed, and watch as abundance flows effortlessly into your life. If this video has inspired you, consider liking and subscribing for more insights on creating the life you desire. Let's make 2025 the year of unlimited possibilities and dreams realized.